Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on and off subtitle setting in Bully Anniversary Edition. In order to turn on and off subtitle setting on Bully Anniversary Edition, first of all, launch open Bully Anniversary Edition game on your device and from the main home page, tap on the map icon at the top right corner. Now, inside the menu, you will see Settings button, tap on that. Under Settings, you will see the Display option. Under Display, you'll see Subtitles. To turn off the subtitle, tap on the button right next to Subtitle and make sure that it is leveled as off. To enable Subtitle, turn it on by tapping on it once again and make sure that it is labeled as on. Once you have that, you can easily see all the relevant dialogues at the bottom of the screen, enhancing accessibility and comprehension. Once you are done, you can return to the main game and start playing. So that is how you can easily enable and disable subtitle settings in Bully Anniversary Edition. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.